Thursday, July 12th, 22:21 hours. Oh, don't want to go too far out. Get my phone wet. Oh yeah, location, Spokane, Washington. Hilliard neighborhood. Last week and a half we've had almost 100-degree temperatures. So, oh, that was pretty. So right now this is very, very welcome. That guy can go away. Yeah. If you didn't hear, that was my wife upstairs asking if it was raining. She has a channel too, but only a couple videos on it. Unseelie Wheelie, if you want to look for her. Oh, I turned away at the wrong time. Can't see it. There's a little over 200-foot tall Douglas fir right next to my house. Nature's lightning rod, if you will. Let's see. Oh, apparently I got a raindrop on my camera lens. Hold on, I'll wipe you off on my shirt. Oh, man. This was a great little storm, but it was better than this before I came outside. That is so beautiful. And I don't have any kind of color filter, so that purple you're seeing, that's what I'm seeing too. Most of the activity seems centered north by northwest, so I think that's where I'm going to keep my camera pointed. You can see it through the neighbor's maple trees. That's just absolutely beautiful. Totally stunning. And the maples are probably a good 100, 120 feet tall. Across the street over here, in that dark spot, are 4 or 5 rather large elm trees, which would also be a great lightning attractant. Just think, tomorrow, Jason comes out. Yay, Jason. I think I'm going to go for a 5-minute record here. That way it'll upload quickly. My wife complains to me every time we have a thunderstorm here in Spokane that it is so weak and pathetic. Apparently her thunderstorms from her home, Ohio, a little town called Bell Fountain, Logan County, they get like major crash, boom, pow, bright lightning like every few seconds. She sent me a video clip when she was there back in 2010. It was rather impressive. Like 7 lightning strikes in 30 seconds. I was quite pleased with that. Oh, look at that. I didn't even catch that whole bolt because it went like quite a bit off the screen to the right. That was rather impressive. I don't know if my viewers can hear it, but there's a cat somewhere outside meowing to get in. Oh, wow, that was beautiful. Yeah, I ooh and ah over the beauty of nature. Okay, the rain has stopped, so I'm going to come out, try and get some better shots of that open space right there. You can't see the open space, but and that little bit of light over there is Rogers High School. It's where I graduated. My mom graduated. Brother and sisters, aunt and uncles, nieces, nephews. I'm gonna risk missing some lightning so you can see my house. No, see the snake tank inside, but can't see any other light source. Yeah, no. Hold on. Need one more big bolt. I'll close this up and upload it. Oh, of course, there was just one off to my right, which I'm not pointing at. Let's go just like this. See what I can get. Oh, yeah, that one was awesome. Another one, big one, just went off. Not pointing at it. Missed it. Sorry, guys. And just so you know, the last, like, oh, several videos that I've uploaded, I've gotten no comments or maybe one comment out of the entire lot. I would really like to read what you guys think of Spokane summer storms. Oh, this is turning out to be not much of a storm. Just a tiny light show. I don't know if I caught that. I was looking away from the camera. And looking away again, so I don't know if I caught that one either. Sorry. Let's do a slow pan. See if I can catch something randomly. Oh, way over there on the left. Sorry, missed another one. It's too bad I can't catch what I saw the other night, but no such luck. There we go. That was a nice little curly one up there in the clouds. All right. Let this go to 9 minutes. I only planned on doing 5, but the rain stops so I can come out here and get some more shots. But yeah, 15 more seconds. I'll shut her off. Upload it. Hopefully my viewers will enjoy. However many I still have. Oh, nice. All right, that's the last one. Here we go.